everybody, so it's Jordan and I am currently walking to the bus stop. This is really awkward because I don't do this on a daily, obviously, but I think I will check in with you guys maybe at lunchtime. It's not guaranteed, but if I don't check in after lunchtime, then expect me to get on this camera after school. Hey guys, good morning. We have a lot of errands to do today.
So we're going to Target, our home, second, third home. We got so many homes, honestly.
I have to go to I wrote a list.
Where is that?
It's on my phone. I have to go to Dollar Store and the beauty supply. Those are the three places we're going today. May end up going somewhere else, but hopefully not, because that means more money.
Because I had to get my hair. I'm not telling y'all what I'm doing now.
Not yet.
Not yet. It's gonna be a surprise.
Baby, don't be confused. Trust me, I got the moves. Channel told you you don't want no problem with me. When they want the dopeness, who they come in to see. Whoa, me, don't be confused. Trust me, I got the moves. Channel told you you don't want no problem with me.
Everybody, it is currently 3:11. About 10 minutes ago, I got home from school. Right about now, I would be getting out of my clothes, putting pajamas on, eating, and then doing my favorite thing, which is taking a nap. So I told you that I would check in right after school, which I kind of like because it's not right after, it's like 10 minutes. But you know, it's okay. Today, my day was okay. You know, I wish I couldn't be there. But you know, we can't all have what we want.
Baby, don't be confused. Trust me, I got the moves. Channel told you you don't want no problem with me.
Yes. Hey, good.
Alexis Lene Mitchell.
We on the same thing, on the same page, and that's cool, but you know that that's the old way. That I know you don't wanna listen, I know what you're missing, I know you just wanna ball. 93, Scottie Pippen, now I'm dripping with the boss. Turn me up or turn me off, all the way. I just called the flex, let me call my boss.
Good morning, everyone. We are hiking backwards because the light is backwards. See, if we turn around this way, you can't see the melanin. Did we tell y'all about the time where we saw all the deers? We was here around, what time was that? Like 7 o'clock? Oh God. And there was families of deer everywhere, and we had got caught by a few of them, so we had to turn all the way around and come back out because there were so many, and we thought that we was gonna die. So yeah, okay, and my phone's on 20%. Yep, we're gonna end it right here.
Hop on and I kill it. Wait, where did you get it? Boy, that's